Hey, what's up guys? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Apple Airpods Pro 3 and I can't wait to test these out because I have the original AirPods Pro. So in this video what I'm going to be doing is comparing the noise cancellation between the two, and I'm going to be doing it in a very unique way which should hopefully visually show you the difference of what I am hearing. Now I know this sounds very odd, but trust me, it will all make sense later in the video. Now when it comes to the unboxing, this should be a bit special as well because I've had these personally engraved. Now this is a free service offered by Apple, so if it's something you've never seen before but thought about having it done, then you should get a good idea of what it's like in this video. Now whilst on the subject of Apple products, I've also purchased the iPhone 17 Pro Max and I've compared it to my iPhone 15 Pro Max in a very controversial video. And if you want to see that, then I'll put a link to that in the description. Okie dokie, let's crack on then. And first off, we're going to take a quick look around the outside of the box. So first starting off then on the top, and we have an image there of the AirPods themselves. Moving around to the side, we've got the Apple logo up the top. AirPods Pro, not labelled up as 3 though, and around the other side the Apple logo again. So that's enough of that, and let's get this box open. I'm dead excited to test these out because as you've just seen, I've got the original ones and they are getting a bit long in the tooth now. So yeah, I am very much looking forward to these. Oh, satisfying. And let's now lift that lid. First off, bit of paperwork then, all the stuff that, well, you're never going to read, so let's file that off to the side there. And then we've got the AirPods themselves. Just set those off a sec, and we're going to the bottom of the box. So let's open these up then, and whoa, we get a decent selection this year. So all different sizes there to suit all different lug holes, and I'm sure those will all be getting filled up with earwax very soon. But that's it, no charging cable in the box, bit of a disappointment, but hey ho, that's the way the world is going now. So let's get to the main star of the show, the AirPods Pro 3. And the big reveal. Well, hey, check that out. Well, obviously I had to go with the Tech Giant, wouldn't be anything else, would it? And well, I'm surprised actually because I expected the text to be in black, but no, it's in this light grey. And I think that looks well smart. Now please let me know in the comments section what you think of that. It's a nice free service offered by Apple and I'm well pleased that I've gone for it. Right, let's move on and take a look around the rest of the case, and as I do so, we'll compare it to my Gen 1 versions. Now you just have to excuse this carbon piece on the top, can't remove that, that's just part of a case. So starting around the front then, and we have this LED on the Gen 1 versions, but we can see nothing on the new Pro 3s until you open up the case. And there you go. We've got a glowing indicator just there, which is very nice and more discreet than the LED on the originals. Now moving around to the sides, and as you can see, we've got these holes here, which you can attach like a wrist strap. Looks probably a bit gimpy, but you can do so if you want. But on the original version, we don't have that at all. Now moving around to the back, and as we can see on the original version, we have a pairing button, which you would use if you want to pair them up to a non-Apple device. But on the Pro 3, we have nothing at all. But don't worry, you can still pair it to a non-Apple device, and I'll show you how to do that in another video, so if you want to see that, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now moving around to the other side, nothing on there at all. Let's move to the bottom, and on the original we have a lightning port, which, well, that's a pain in the backside in this day and age. Sick of having to carry around just a single cable just for my AirPods, but not anymore, because with the Pro 3 we get USB-C. Now moving across from the charging port, and we actually have a speaker, where on the originals we do not. Now this is handy because you can play various little tones and things like that. I don't know how well you can hear that. There we go, like so. So yeah, the speaker will play various tones, including one if you ever want to find the case if you lost it, and hopefully with that tone you'll be able to narrow it down to where it is. Now one other change that's not so obvious is that the Gen 1 versions do not wirelessly charge. You could buy an additional wireless charging case, but of course that was an additional cost. But the new Pro 3s, that's all built in, no extra charge. Now let's finally just quickly compare the size of the actual cases. and the new ones are slightly bigger. And I can prove that because I've got the second part of the case for my originals that slides over nice and easily, but on the new ones, no, it doesn't fit, proving that it's slightly bigger. Right, let's get this case open then and take a look at the buds themselves. And of course, we've also got some ear tips already attached. So grabbing the other ear tips there. So we've got an extra small, small and large, meaning the ones that are fitted are medium. So let's now get one of the Gen 1 versions out of its case and let's have a little compare. Yeah, bit of a design change there. So apparently the new Pro 3s are better fitting in your ear. That apparently is down to the design of the actual earbud and the tips themselves, which apparently now have foam inside. Now, just to prove that they are a different shape, if I grab the case and put one of the originals in there, we can see that, yeah, it doesn't fit at all. It's completely different. But if we just spin those around, we can see as well there, yeah, different angle as we can see how it is actually entering into your ear. So hopefully with the different size tips, they should be better fitting. Now, one of the new selling points of the Pro 3 is the heart rate sensor, which should come in very handy if you should keel over and die. These will actually inform you of it. Now, getting back to the actual design, if we look at the bottom, we've still got that little chrome ring around the bottom of the new Pros, the same as it was on the originals. And then just up from that, we also have the touch sensitive part, which was also present and correct on the Gen 1 versions. Right, let's now get these things paired up now. Grabbing my iPhone 17 Pro Max, pop in the lid, little chime, there we go, connect, little chime again, and we are paired up. Now, I'm not going to bore you with the rest of the setup process. It's basically just going through, making sure you get the right ear tips for your lug holes. Right, let's now do some testing of the noise cancellation. And this should be pretty interesting because the new Pros 3 offer up to 4 times more noise cancellation than the Gen 1 version. Now, at the start of the video, I said I'm going to be doing this test in an original way. So what I'm going to do is first start off with the original Pros, pop them in my ear, put the noise cancellation on, and I'm going to play some music back. And at the same time, my son is going to play some music back on the TV. He'll slowly increase the volume level, and when I can start to hear the music, I'll give a thumbs up, and we'll take a look at what volume level the TV is at, and then I'll repeat the process with the Pro 3s and see if we can get to a higher volume level without me hearing anything. And to keep things fair, I'll be looking the other way so I can't see what volume level the TV is getting to. Right, so we're all set up, got the original AirPod Pros in my ear, and got a piece of music ready to go on my phone. Son is ready with the remote control, so starting the test in 3, 2, 1, go. Right, so there we go, and what do we get on the volume? 31 was it? Right, so 31 is the score to beat. Right, so I've got the new AirPod Pro 3s now. Pop the second one in my ear, and I can barely hear anything now. Obviously, noise cancellation is on again. So I've got the same piece of music lined up on my phone at the same spot. The TV's volume has been reset to the same point as we started with last time. And we're going to play the music back on the TV at the same point as well. So, starting in 3, 2, 1, now. So what's the volume on that? What was it? 50. So yeah, quite a bit of difference there. Now, I'm fully aware it's not the most scientific way of testing out headphones, but it's just a visual way of showing you the difference between the two. Now, of course, whilst I've just done that test for you guys at home, I've also tested these out myself, and I've got to say, they are a marked improvement over the originals. In all areas, they just sound so much better. Better bass, better treble, better mids, and I noticed a marked improvement with the transparency mode. Everything just sounded, well, more clearer. So overall, I would say if you got a pair of the originals and you are thinking about upgrading to the Pro 3s, then I would definitely do it. So there we have it then, guys. Now just a favour, if you have enjoyed today's video, then please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future, and hopefully I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Bye for now.